This is the modernized elevator at the, I believe this is 13th Street Garage, Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This used to be a Schindler MT and Takeo elevators. This filmed this. I did some Christmas shopping at Ross. I believe Kone modded this, but I'm not sure. Here it comes. There's probably going to be people on here. Go to 7, close it up. Get that guy on camera. Here we are at 7.
Seventh floor, going down.
Where's that? Stop on 4.
Fourth floor,
You going to G?
Yes.
You have a good night, sir.
ground floor, going up.
7. Here we are at 7. We are going to send this to G.
Seventh floor, going down.
And that's it.